Hi, my name is Jasmeen Gill. I'm a P3 at the Meridian campus. I'm originally from Vancouver, British Columbia. I chose ISU because Idaho is one of the few states that's really advanced in the field of pharmacy. Pharmacists are continuously pushing their scope of practice. Another thing about ISU is that after a year of the program, they consider you for in-state tuition, which makes a huge difference. I always knew I wanted a career in healthcare, but I wasn't sure exactly what. Initially, I had completely ruled out the idea of pharmacy because I assumed it just meant standing behind a counter all day dispensing medications. But then I had the opportunity to volunteer at a cancer clinic where I saw the clinical role that the pharmacist there took on. This opened my mind to the idea of pharmacy because I knew I wanted a hands-on career, but not something where I was doing invasive procedures on a day-to-day basis. I went on to do some of my own research and spoke to some other pharmacists, and from there I decided that pharmacy is a good fit for myself. I plan to complete a residency after school and then hopefully land a career in pediatric pharmacy. Some advice to incoming students would be to make sure you go out and get that experience beforehand, as it definitely builds a nice knowledge base and helps you understand what you're getting yourself into. And just keep an open mind because there are so many fields within pharmacy and you can definitely find something that fits your interests.